everyone, welcome back to Luxe Life. Today we're checking out something incredible, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome. Yes, Ford has turned the iconic Mustang into a luxury home on wheels, mixing muscle car attitude with high-end comfort for travelers who want both adventure and style. From the outside, it keeps that bold Mustang presence with an aggressive grille, tri-bar LED headlights, and smooth aerodynamic lines. The full panoramic glass roof brightens the cabin, and the 22-inch alloys give it serious road presence. The rear adaptive LED taillights and power liftgate complete the sleek, modern look. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury studio. You get soft ambient lighting, premium leather, brushed aluminum, and a futuristic cockpit with a flat-bottom steering wheel and a huge 15-inch touchscreen. The lounge area offers heated, cooled, and massage leather seats, plus a hidden 55-inch OLED TV for movie nights. The kitchen has everything essential: induction cooktop, smart fridge, microwave, a stainless steel sink, and a built-in coffee machine. In the back, the bedroom features a plush, queen-size bed with panoramic windows, climate control, and lots of hidden storage. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower and an anti-fog smart mirror, giving you a hotel-style experience on the road. Performance is where the Mustang DNA kicks in. The hybrid system combines a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 with dual electric motors for 720 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. Even as an RV, it hits 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.8 seconds. You get up to 120 kilometers of electric driving for quiet, eco-friendly trips, and an adaptive suspension that keeps everything smooth. For safety and convenience, it offers Level 3 autonomous driving, 360-degree cameras, blind spot assist, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control. Solar panels help power onboard systems, and fast charging brings the battery to 80% in under 40 minutes. Pricing starts at $390,000 and goes up to $480,000 for the fully loaded version. It's expensive, but for its design, performance, and comfort, it's truly in a class of its own. The 2026 Mustang Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It gives you Mustang power with the comfort of a luxury apartment on the road. Thanks for watching Luxe Life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury and futuristic travel content.